Hello students, yesterday we have started our chapter Footprints Without Feet. Students, if you haven't seen part 1 then click on I button. Yesterday in this chapter we have studied that the two boys were following the footprints without feet. And it is very easy to know the mystery behind the footprints without feet is that there was a brilliant scientist, Griffin, who had just discovered a drug which could make a man invisible. But we have seen that the person was lawless and he was quick-tempered. So what he did, he set fire to the house, and as he has to run away, so he became visible. But as he has selected a very bad time, so he needed clothes. For that, he entered into a London store. There he stole food, clothes, etc. But he couldn't wake up in time, so again he has to fled. Finally, he entered a theatrical company. There also he stole clothes and he even covered his empty space. He also attacked the shopkeeper and took his money, stole his money and went away from the London, that is to a village, Iping. There, in the village Iping, Mrs. Hall was his landlady and she tried to be very friendly with him, but Griffin didn't want to talk to him. He told the reason behind that he met an accident, that's why he had covered his face with bandages and he need solitude. So students, let us start the second part. Satisfied that a guest was an eccentric scientist. So finally Mrs. Hall, satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist. Eccentric means sunky, cynical. And in view of the fact that he had paid in her advance, Mrs. Hall was prepared to excuse his strange habits and irritable temper. So because he had paid in advance, क्योंकि उसने advance भी pay कर दिया, so Mrs. Hall got ready to excuse his strange habits, got ready to forgive him his habits and his irritable temper, because he got easily annoyed, बहुत जल्दी से उसे गुस्सा आ जाता है, but the stolen money didn't last. So then the problem comes. He has attacked the shopkeeper and stolen money, but it didn't last long. And presently Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. So he had to admit, he had to agree, उसे accept करना पड़ा that he had no more ready cash. कि उसके पास flowing cash नहीं है. He pretended, however, that he was expecting his check to arrive at any moment. So for that, because his cash has finished, so he has to pretend, उसे नाटक करना पड़ा that he was expecting a check. Somehow he was expecting a check, कुछ कहीं से money आने वाली है. Shortly afterwards, a curious episode occurred. And now, because he has to arrange money, पर वो कैसे मनी अरेंज करेगा, वो मैनेज करना है उसको. लेकिन उसके बाद एक शॉर्टली आफ्टरवर्ड्स, उसके जल्दी ही थोड़ी देर बाद ही एक अजीबोगरीब क्यूरियस एक स्ट्रेंज सा एपिसोड, एक इवेंट अकर करता है. वेरी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, a clergyman and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. So clergyman priest होते हैं. So early in the morning, priest के घर पे वो और उसकी वाइफ, they were awakened, they got up And when they got up, they found some noises in the study. वो जब खड़े होते हैं तो वो क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि उनके घर में से कुछ आवाजें आ रही, creeping downstairs. So slowly and steadily they come downstairs. सीढ़ियों से नीचे आते हैं. They heard the chink of money being taken away from clergyman's desk, and they listened. What they listened? That chink, यानी पैसे के खनकने की आवाज. Somebody was taking the money from the clergyman's desk. क्लर्जीमैन की डेस्क से कोई ना कोई पैसे ले रहा है. Without making any noise and with a poker grasped firmly in his hand. So, to find out who was there, clergyman and his wife, दोनों के दोनों, without making any noise, बिना किसी आवाज के किए, with a poker, एक poker हम जिसे iron rod बोलते हैं, that is used in the hearth to move the fire. So, they hold the poker को hold करके grasp firmly, tightly in his hand. The clergyman flung open the door. So he opened the door and he says one word, that is surrender. Surrender means आत्म समर्पण करना, giving. So they want to ask who was there, or whosoever is there, just surrender. जो भी है वो surrender करते. Then to his amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. Both of them have listened a lot of voice, but now they are surprised. Why they are surprised? That when they opened the door, they found that nobody was there. He and his wife looked under the desk, behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. So they started searching the person, and they watched under the desk, behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. But finally, they find out none. There wasn't a sign of anybody. Nobody was there. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. Housekeeping means the regular use. So the desk was opened, the drawer was opened, and the money was missing. It was very surprising that who was there? Nobody was there, yet the money was missing. Extraordinary affair. So the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. So, what was clergyman's reaction? Because he listened a lot of sounds and he found the money missing, yet nobody was there. So, he talked to everyone and he says that something extraordinary has happened in his house. Nothing normal means something abnormal. So, but it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Something extraordinary has happened in the clergyman house, but another extraordinary thing is going to happen in Mrs. Hall's house with his furniture sometime after. इसके वो extraordinary चीज हो सकती है, लेकिन उससे भी extraordinary चीज और हुई है. वो इतनी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं थी जितनी कि मिसेस हॉल के फर्नीचर के साथ होती है उसी सुबह थोड़ी देर बाद. क्या होता है? लेट अस सी. द लैंडलॉर्ड एंड हिज वाइफ वर अप अर्ली एंड वर सरप्राइज्ड टू सी द साइंटिस्ट डोर वाइड ओपन. लैंडलॉर्ड means Mr. Hall and Mrs. Hall were up early and were surprised to see the scientist door wide open. That they surprised that the scientist door was open. Usually it was shut and locked. Normally क्या होता है वो बंद रहता है. ग्रिफन का जो रूम का डोर है वो नॉर्मली बंद रहता है, but today it was opened. He was furious if anyone entered his room. He was furious if anyone entered his room. और कोई भी उसके रूम में एंटर करता है तो उसे furious means he easily got angry. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. So Mrs. Hall was interested to see the room of Griffin, and this was a great opportunity. एक बहुत बड़ा मौका था उसके लिए to see into the room. They peeped round the door. First of all, they peeped, वो झांकते हैं. So they looked into the room and when they saw nobody, जब वो देखते हैं कि कोई नहीं है, they decided to investigate. So they decided to find out Griffin's reasons behind his solitude and behind his lonely life, and as he was not behaving in a normal way. The bedclothes were cold, showing that the scientists must have been up for some time. So now they are investigated and they started with bedclothes. Bedclothes, bed, कनोफी चादर जिसे हम बोलते हैं. It was cold. The cold bedclothes shows that the scientist must have been up for some time. काफी देर से वो खड़ा हुआ है. And stranger still, the clothes and bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. और एक और strange चीज क्या है? The clothes that he always wore and the bandages that always he wore in his empty space, they were lying about the room. Means they were lying here and there. वो कमरे में यहाँ वहाँ गिरी हुई थी. All of sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. अचानक से Mrs. Hall क्या heard करती है? A sniff. Somebody was breathing, inhaling, and the voice came close to her ear. बिल्कुल उसके कान के पास. कोई ऐसे लग रहा है कि कोई क्या कर रहा है? Breathing कर रहा है. A moment later, the hat on the bedpost leaped up. और suddenly क्या होता है? A moment, एक क्षण भर बाद, the hat on the bedpost. Bedpost क्या होता है? बेड के चारों साइड थोड़े से कुछ अपराइट्स होते हैं, कुछ साइड्स थोड़े से बढ़े हुए होते हैं, उन्हें हम लोग बेड पोस्ट कहते हैं. और अचानक से उस बेड पोस्ट पे रखी हुई हैट क्या करती है? लेफ्ट अप मीन्स जंप करती है. डैश्ड इटसेल्फ इनटू हर फेस. और डैश मीन्स हिट. कहाँ हिट करती है? इट हिट इनटू मिसेस हॉल्स फेस. देन द बेडरूम चेयर बिकेम अलाइव. और सडनली क्या होता है? बेडरूम चेयर बिकेम अलाइव. कुर्सी में जान आ जाती. Springing into the air, it charged straight at her. हवा में लहराते हुए. Straight it attacked on Mrs. Hall. Legs foremost. Foremost means forehead. आगे होना. उसके पैर आगे थे और वो किसकी तरफ मूव कर रही है? Towards Mrs. Hall. As she and her husband turned away in terror. वो और उसके husband both got terrified. डर जाते. The extraordinary chair pushed them both, and that the chair that was springing in the air that pushed both Mrs. Hall and Mr. Hall out of the room, and then appeared to slam. And फिर क्या appear होता है कि somebody has just shut the door forcefully. किसी ने दरवाजे को जोर से मारा है, जोर से बंद किया है. And लॉक द डोर आफ्टर देम. और उनको बाहर निकालने के बाद दरवाजे को बंद कर दिया. मिसेस हॉल ऑलमोस्ट फेल डाउन द स्टेयर्स इन हिस्ट्रीज. और मिसेस हॉल की क्या कंडीशन होती है? उन्हीं के घर पे, उन्हीं के एक रूम में अचानक से कोई चेयर लाइव हो जाती है और उन्हें रूम से बाहर निकाल देती है. तो मिसेस हॉल की क्या कंडीशन होती है? वो पागलों की तरह. हिस्ट्री मीन्स शी गॉन मैड एंड शी फेल डाउन ऑन द स्टेयर्स. और सीढ़ियों पे वो गिर जाती. शी वॉज कन्विंस्ड दैट द रूम वॉज हॉन्टेड बाय स्पिरिट्स. फाइनली वो कन्विंस्ड रहती हैं दैट द रूम वॉज हॉन्टेड बाय द स्पिरिट्स. सी वो रूम जो है वो किसी न किसी उस रूम के अंदर कौन है? स्पिरिट्स है, आत्मा है. एंड इट वॉज बीइंग दैट द स्ट्रेंजर हैड समहाउ कॉज्ड दिस टू एंटर इनटू हर फर्नीचर. और उसमें जो घोस्ट है, स्पिरिट है, आत्मा जो है, वो इज कॉल्ड इट. इट वॉज द स्ट्रेंजर. स्ट्रेंजर इज द साइंटिस्ट. He has called the spirits, and because of that the chair had started springing, started jumping. My poor mother used to sit in that chair, shivering, and Mrs. Hall started crying, weeping, thoroughly रोना शुरू कर दिया. The reason behind is that my poor mother, अपनी, वो किसको याद कर रहे हैं कि वो चेयर किसकी हुआ करती थी, मिसेस हॉल की मदर, एंड शी यूज्ड टू सिट ऑन दैट, एंड दैट चेयर, उसकी माँ की कुर्सी, उसी को बाहर कर रही है. एट दिस थिंग शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. टू थिंक इट शुड राइज अप अगेंस्ट मी नाउ, ये सोचे कि मेरी मदर की चेयर मेरी अगेंस्ट राइज हो रही है, और उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया बहुत ज्यादा. द फीलिंग अमंग द नेबर्स वाज दैट द ट्रबल वाज कॉज्ड बाय विचक्राफ्ट. सिर्फ मिसेस हॉल को ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही थी, जो नेबर्स थे वो भी बात को समझ रहे थे, और उन्हें बात क्या समझ में आ रही थी कि दैट द ट्रबल, जो परेशानी है वो किस वजह से हुई है, विचक्राफ्ट, किसी मैजिशियन, किसी जादूगरनी की वजह से. बट विचक्राफ्ट और नॉट, कोई जादू है या नहीं है. When the news of burglary at the clergyman's home became known, burglary means theft. When everybody came to know that there was a burglary or theft, or somebody has stolen at clergyman's home, the strange scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. सभी का डाउट किसके ऊपर जाता है, ऑन दी साइंटिस्ट. मीन्स एवरीबडी, मिसेस हॉल एज वेल एज द नेबर्स डाउटेड दैट द साइंटिस्ट हैज टेकन अवे द मनी. Suspicion grew even stronger when he suddenly produced some ready cash. Suspicion means doubt. Doubt और strong हो जाता है when he suddenly produced some ready cash. When he produced ready cash, जब उसने hard cash दिया, तो डाउट, लोगों का डाउट और ज्यादा कंफर्म हो जाता है. Though he had admitted not long before that he had no money, because he has admitted that his cash or his ready cash has finished, and yet some money was about to come. And suddenly money कैसे आ गई उसके पास? That was the suspicion. The village constable was secretly sent. So the neighbors, the villagers called the constable. They secretly, without telling, they called the constable. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist. And what state of mind was Mrs. Hall? She was hysteric, पागल ही हो गई थी. So instead of waiting the constable, she herself went to the scientist, who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty bedroom. And the room was empty, but suddenly when he went to the room, he found the scientist. And that was more shocking for her also. So she went to him and asked her, I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded. So she asked her that what he has done with her chair. What he has done with her chair. उसकी चेयर के साथ उसने क्या किया है? She asked. I want to know how it is you came out of an empty room. और वो क्या पूछती हैं? वो कैसे आया, उस खाली कमरे में से कैसे आया? And how he entered a locked room. And as the room was locked from inside, how he entered into the room. मतलब वो पूछना चाह रही है कि कैसे तो वो रूम लॉक्ड हो गया था, तो कैसे वो उसमें एंटर हुआ और कैसे उससे वो बाहर केम आउट ऑफ द एम्प्टी रूम, एंड हाउ ही एंटर्ड, कैसे वो एंटर हुआ उस रूम में पहले और कैसे वो अभी बाहर निकला. सो बोथ दीज थिंग्स वर वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, वेरी अमेजिंग, एंड मिसेस हॉल वॉज हिस्ट्रिक. सो ही, without thinking, she asked her a lot of questions. The scientist was always quick-tempered, and as we know, the scientist was always quick-tempered. Quick-tempered means to get angry very soon. So बहुत जल्दी से गुस्सा आ जाता है. हमें भी पता है साइंटिस्ट बहुत गुस्से वाला था. Now he became furious, और वो बहुत एंग्री हो जाता है. You don't understand who or what I am. Instead of replying directly or tackling it calmly, गुस्से में वो क्या कहता है, मुझे आप समझे नहीं, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मी, आप मुझे समझे नहीं, मैं कौन हूं और मैं क्या हूं, वट आई एम, ही शाउटेड, और जोर से वो चिल्ला. Very well, I will show. And now he started threatening them and he said that I will show you who I am. मैं कौन हूँ, मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. Suddenly he threw off bandages. And to show himself what he started, he threw off his bandages. उसने अपने bandages remove करना शुरू कर लिया like this way. What he removed, his bandages, his whiskers, his spectacles and even nose. It took him only a minute to do this. Means उसके इस upper portion को remove करने के लिए उसे it just take a minute to remove this. और आपको पता ही है जब उसने ये सब कुछ रिमूव किया, the people were surprised to see the empty space. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. They were staring, they were looking. वो बोल रहे थे किसकी तरफ? That the person didn't have a face, didn't have a, means they were watching a headless man. Mr. Jafar, the constable, now arrived and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. So, Mr. Jafar has arrived. Mr. Jafar, the constable, whom the neighbors and Mrs. Hall have called, he has arrived finally, and he was also surprised to see that he had to arrest a man without a head. But Jafar, what type of person Mr. Jafar is? यहाँ पर हमें बताया कि जाफर किस टाइप का पर्सन है. Was not easily prevented from doing his duty, means obedient in his duty. If a magistrate warrant order person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested with or without his head. So he was so obedient that just follow. Either the person is with head or without head, he had to arrest. So Mr. Jafar बहुत ही लॉयल पर्सन है और उन्हें ऑर्डर को ही फॉलो करना है, चाहे वो पर्सन विद हेड हो या विदाउट हेड हो, उसे अरेस्ट करना है. There followed a remarkable scene as the policemen tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. So now a strange scene has created because first of all he was headless, and when the policeman, the constable, tried to hold, उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश की, he found out that person was becoming more and more invisible, that he was becoming, whatever he was removing, he was becoming invisible. जो भी वो remove करता जा रहा है वो invisible होता जा रहा है. as he threw off one garment after another. जैसे उसने एक क्लोथ निकाला फिर दूसरा निकाला and he completely become invisible. Finally, a shirt flew into the air and the constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see at all. Some people tried to help him but found themselves hit by blows that seemed to come from nowhere. What happened at last? He removed his shirt and flew into the air. The constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see. Now, Griffin has become completely invisible. So, constable को एक ऐसे इंसान को पकड़ना है जो completely invisible हो गया है. People are trying to help him. लोग जो उसके आसपास थे वो उसकी help कर रहे थे, but found themselves hit by blows. लेकिन कहीं से blows हिट हो रहा था, उन्हें मुक्के लग रहे थे, that seemed to come from nowhere. But कहाँ से आ रहे थे? Some, आपको पता ही है, Griffin was invisible and nobody was able to see him and they were hitting him. Griffin was hitting other people, इसलिए उन्हें पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कहाँ से ब्लो आ रहे हैं. In the end, Jafar was knocked. And in this fight, at last what happened? Jafar was knocked unconscious and he was hit by a blow and he lost senses. He became faint, वो बेहोश हो जाता है. As he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. as he tried his last attempt to hold. आखिर बार उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करता है इसको unseen scientist को, but he became unconscious, means बेहोश हो जाता. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him. People were shouting. They were nervous and they were shouting, hold him, hold him. सभी चिल्ला रहे हैं, पकड़ लो, पकड़ लो. But this was easier said than done. But it is easy to say than done. Why? एक अनसीन इंसान को हम लोग बोल तो सकते हैं कि पकड़ लें, but पकड़े कैसे? The problem was how to hold him and where to put the hand to hold him. कहाँ हाथ डालें कि उसे पकड़ लें? Griffin had shaken himself free. और ग्रिफिन ने अपने आप को फ्री कर लिया है. No one knew where to lay hands on him. किसी को नहीं पता है कि कहाँ हाथ डालें और उसे पकड़ें. So students, to know more about Griffin, you can read the novel The Invisible Man, written by H.G. Wells. With this, we come to end of this lesson. You have easily understood this story. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.